So in this video we'll learn algorithm of bubble sort. Bubble sort is a technique where we'll change an unsorted array into a sorted array. Let's assume we have an array A who has 7 elements. Let's assume 9, 5, 4, 2, 10, 8, and we want to sort these elements. Then first of all, the logic behind bubble sort is this. First we will use two pointer in this. Let's assume I and j, and first we'll compare first two elements 9 and 5. If leftmost element is greater than right one, then we'll swap them. 5, 9, 4 to right other element as it is. Now we'll compare, our pointer will move and we'll compare next two elements 4 and 9, and 9 is greater than 4, then we'll swap them, and remaining as it is. Now we'll compare these two, then again we have to swap, but in this case we'll not swap because right one is greater than left one, right as it is. Now we'll compare these two and we'll swap them because leftmost element is greater than rightmost element, and left element is greater than right element. So it look like this. This process we have to repeat number of 7 times because there is an n is equal to 7, and we have to repeat this process 7 times. Let's repeat once again. We'll compare these two, then 4, 5, and we compare these two, then we have to swap 2, 5, 9. In this case we will not swap. In next case we have to swap. We have to repeat this process 6 times, then we'll get an array which is sorted. At last we'll get this type array. And in programming part, first we'll put a loop and another loop. In the loop we'll compare a of j first element with next element, and if this condition becomes true, then we'll swap them. Swap by a method. First we'll take a variable and store the result of aj in this, and then we'll put value of aj plus 1 into aj and value of aj plus 1 is equal to 0. In this way we'll swap the elements and finally we'll get the result.